There are a lot of ways that if you follow, you can definitely speak English, write English, read English, and learn English. There is a formula that if you follow, you can learn English very rapidly. That formula is LSRW. L stand for learn. L stand for learn. First of all, if you want to learn any language, not just English, if you want to learn any language, whether it is Hindi, whether it is English, or whether it is Sanskrit, the first thing that you have to do is to learn. Then S. S stand for speak. S stand for speak. First you learn something, then you speak. Then you speak. Then what is LSR? R stand for read. R stand for read. Then you learn to read. And then you learn to write. Then you learn to write. So there is a process. So आप सभी ने देखा होगा, all of you have seen that a child who take a birth in USA start English speaking at the age of 3. At the age of 3. Now, have you ever thought why it happens? It happens because, as I told you earlier, the child first learn. The child first then he speak. Then he speak. तो ये चीज अपने दिमाग से आपको निकाल देनी है कि इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए आपको इंग्लिश पढ़ना और लिखना आना चाहिए. अगर ऐसा होता तो यूएसए में जन्मा एक बच्चा 3 साल की उम्र में इंग्लिश बोलना कैसे सीख जाता? उसको तो पढ़ना भी नहीं आता है, उसको तो लिखना भी नहीं आता है, फिर भी वो इंग्लिश बोलता है कि नहीं बोलता है? तो इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए इंग्लिश पढ़ना और लिखना कोई भी जरूरी नहीं है. ऑल ऑफ यू, what you have to do is you have to listen. You have to listen. If you listen carefully what the other person is saying, और जो कुछ भी आपके आसपास लोग बोल रहे हैं, then definitely you can speak English. And there are a lot of ways that if you follow consistently, you can definitely learn how to speak. As I am standing in front of you, I was a student of Hindi medium till my 12th class. Till my मैं भी हिंदी मीडियम का स्टूडेंट था. I never went to an English medium school. I never went to an English medium school. But I followed something that really improved my English, and that was that I practiced a lot. I practiced that. I'm not a perfect English speaker, but I can tutti-frutti speak English. And why I am able to do is this, because I practiced a lot. As I told you that last year in the summer vacation, when there was nobody in the school, this hall was empty. There was nobody. I used to come here in this hall, stand on this podium. There was nobody in front of me, but I used to practice it for at least 1 hour. I used to assume that there were students. लेकिन वहाँ कोई बच्चे होते नहीं थे. पूरा खाली रूम, अकेला आया मैं पोडियम पे 1 घंटे खुद से प्रश्न पूछ रहा हूँ, एंड आई एम आंसरिंग टू दोज क्वेश्चन. तो इंग्लिश सीखने का सबसे आसान